Got the compressor out here and shit when bought the hose. Everything out, but once again, not enough power, so motherfucking thing won't. And I hope it's the power and not just 'cause it's some cheap ass Harbor Freight shit, but it won't go past like 50 psi. 'Cause I don't know, it seemed like the outlet not strong enough, but the shit won't get past 50 psi and the motor starts shutting off 'cause it's straining, I guess. But um, if I come back when I do the what's name, get a better power supply and try again. Till then, there will be no impact wrench or any kind of action going on.